Hello everybody. Today again I am going to tell you a story. The title of my story is Way to Achieve Your Goal. Through its character in a plot well conceived, you are going to learn the importance of being in harmony with yourself and not let the presence of other people disturb you on the way to achieve your goal. If it's your first time to follow me, my name is Firestone. Please support the channel by your likes and your subscription. Let's get started. Long ago, there lived an old master in the kingdom of Congo in the Central Africa. Unknown was his name. He had the ability to sense people's frustration. He loved watching a practice session in the students' courtyard, while all the students were doing their practices. Wow, why are you doing like this? You're not performing well. You're not a good student. What's the problem? What's the matter, man? Among all those students, he noticed that there was one young man who was trying to perfect his technique, but he was not able to work on that move properly since he was getting disturbed by the presence of the other student. Master could sense that young man's frustration and went up to young man and tapped on his shoulder. He questioned to young man, "What's bothering you?"
Young man replied with strained expression,
"I don't know. I don't understand why I'm not able to execute this move properly, no matter how much I try."
Master replied,
"Listen, before you can master technique, you should understand harmony. Come with me, I will explain to you how you can do that." Master and student left building and walked some distance into forest until they reached a stream. After reaching there, master and student stood silently on the bank of stream for some time.
After a while, master spoke to young man pointing at the stream.
"Look at the stream. See, there are rocks in its way. Does it slam them out of frustration?" "Oh no, it won't slam those rocks, but instead, stream will simply flow around them and move on. Be like water, and you will know what harmony is." Young man understood master's advice and went back to courtyard to practice his move. And this time, he concentrated his focus on move and barely noticed other students around him, and then he was able to execute the perfect move and master that technique. If we want to achieve our goal, then we must try to get in harmony with ourselves and not let the presence of other people bother us. Les mots du texte. Master. Master is a noun verb. Il est non à la fois un verbe. Utilisé comme nom, il veut dire maître. To master veut dire maîtriser. Nous avons encore un autre mot, courtyard. Courtyard veut dire la cour. Quand on dit student courtyard, la cour estudiantine. Et on a encore young man. Young man. Young man veut dire jeune homme. He is a young man. C'est un jeune homme. Et au début, nous avons un mot achieve. Achieve veut dire atteindre, c'est un verbe. Way to achieve a goal, moyen d'atteindre un objectif. Master and student left the building, walked some distance into forest until they reached a stream. C'est-à-dire le maître et l'étudiant ont quitté le bâtiment, ils ont marché, ils ont parcouru une certaine distance dans la forêt jusqu'à atteindre les ruisseaux. To walk, c'est un verbe qui veut dire marcher et le passé c'est walked. To leave, c'est quitter et le passé, c'est left. Et vous avez encore to speak dans les textes qui a pour passé spoke. Et le tout dernier mot, to slam, veut dire claquer. Par exemple, si There are rocks in its way. Does it slam them out of frustration? Tu vois, il y a des rochers sur son chemin. Il les claque avec frustration. Thank you for watching today's video. It was your teacher, Firestone. Goodbye.